Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive Limited. Today, we will be talking about timing belt and how it works. What is a timing belt? The timing belt is a rubber belt with hard teeth that interlock with the cogwheels of the crankshaft and the camshafts. It synchronizes the movement of the crankshaft and camshafts. This ensures that the engine intake and exhaust valves open and close in time with the pistons. If the crankshaft and camshafts are not operating in unison, the vehicle will not run correctly. If the intake valves open too early, there may be too much fuel-air mixture flowing into the engine combustion chamber, leading to poor combustion and power loss. And if the exhaust valves open too early, the combustion chamber will lose pressure and cause a power loss. If the engine components are very out of sync, they might collide and damage each other, resulting in costly repairs. Functions of timing belts. Below are the functions of timing belts or chains in automotive engines. 1. The timing belt allows the achievement of the combustion process as the control of the piston and valves relies on it. 2. It connects the crankshaft and the camshaft together to control the valve operation. 3. The timing belt ensures precise synchronized opening and closing of the engine's valves. 4. Some other engine components, such as water pump, injection pump, and oil pump. 5. The timing belt uses the same combustion mechanical energy to control the valve. This means no external source is included. 6. Another function of a timing belt or chain is that it prevents the piston from striking the valves on a critical level. Types of timing belt. There is a lot to be considered when stating the types of timing belts, as they can be determined by the following explained below. 1. A pitch selection. 2. Pulley selection. 3. Pulley drawing. 4. Belt selecting. 5. Shaft selecting. 6. Design assembly. 7. Metric dimensions timing belt. 8. Trapezoidal tooth shape with metric dimension. 9. Round tooth shape with metric dimension. Timing belt working principle. Timing belts do their work in a precise and timely manner. It is the reason why the engine's combustion process is possible, even though the power to rotate the crankshaft. It then synchronizes the camshafts, which allow the valve to open and close so that the intake of air and fuel can enter the combustion chamber. The exhaust valve is also controlled by this rotation so that the exhaust can escape. This process is done in harmony, as the camshaft and crankshaft work in coordination. Crankshafts are designed to operate at half the speed of the camshaft. For instance, 2 turns of the crankshaft result in a turn of the camshaft. The timing belt requires tension to properly operate, which is why the timing belt tensional is designed. Modern vehicles use automatic timing belt tensioners that do not require adjustment. The older vehicles would always need adjustment from time to time as the belt becomes loose. A loose timing belt will force the timing out of range, which is why the problem should be avoided. Timing is so important that if one movement escapes, it can affect the efficiency of the engine, leading to loss of power, misfires, etc. Signs a new timing belt is needed. Whether it's a timing chain or a rubber belt, you can easily spot a potential problem. Be sure to schedule a service appointment with the Valdosta Toyota Service Center when you notice any of these issues below. 1. Ticking noise coming from the engine. 2. The engine won't turn over. 3. The engine acts up between 2000 to 4000 RPM. 4. The engine misfires. 5. More smoke and fumes than normal. 6. Oil leaks from the front of the motor. That will be all for today. If you want to buy an original auto spare part anywhere in Nigeria, please visit www.kamsiparts.com.